So for June, horizontal pull push legs, we just got the ring pull. So just setting it up, the height that works for you. If you want to make it a bit easier, just do the standing version. You get a nice twisting grip. If you prefer, you do the overhand grip, you get a bit more posterior delt. Do parallel grip. You could even stay on an underhand grip like that. To make it harder, just come further forward. For the workouts, we've got less reps. And then on the max strength ones, you might even do the full body weight. Like that. Then for the push, just doing a band push. So you might even do it without the push-up, or you can add them together. So you've got that around. And if that's enough resistance for you, just working on that with a tighter band. The only problem with the band is obviously as you push out it gets a lot stronger, and then back here there's not really much there. Then this month we're just adding the band with the normal push-up, so it just gets a bit harder at the top where it's normally a bit easier in a push-up. So you're coming down, as you come up there's more resistance. Down, more resistance. So it's just forcing you to work a bit harder as the arms get straighter. Then for the legs, just doing a multi-directional lunge, 5 directions. So my hips stay square to the front. Then 45 degrees. Your knees are a bit funny, stay with the front ones and the side ones. This one here, when I come out to the side, my hips stay square. And then from there, into the side, other side. When I come to the back, I stay upright with the torso, conditioning all the muscles around the hip, stabilizing that. So depending on the rep range, depend on the amount of angles that you want to work those 5 angles if you've got, kind of 5 reps and above. So it's pretty quick when you're getting into those 15 reps, so you might just do 2 rounds of whatever you can get done in the 30 seconds. If you're really fast, you can probably get the 3 rounds out in the 30 seconds. Each side, so 34 lunges, but that'd be pretty fast. So then just getting a 30-second rest, and then back into the pull. Remember to warm up first couple of rounds and go a bit harder as you get warm, and really kind of challenge yourself to maintaining good form and technique. It's a long game when you're training if you want really long-lasting results, which I'm sure everyone does. So always pay attention to that, especially in those horizontal pulls. Make sure that head's nice and tall, not projecting the head forward, same in a push-up, but more of a problem when you're doing it with your head pulling back on the neck. So make sure as you pull, keeping that head nice and tall, tongue on the roof of the mouth.